CK Cell Technologies is a stem cell research and development company based in Sydney. It's been operating for the last 4 years, going through the phases of research and bringing them to completion, ready for clinical trials. So a part of our moving into commercialisation meant that we needed both PC2 and GMP certified cleanroom facilities. So it was evident from our introduction to G3lab that they had the experience and the know-how to develop cleanroom spaces. And we engaged them on this process of discussing our needs and our requirements, and the professionalism and the understanding of our needs was evident right from the beginning. So the finished product was delivered to our requirements. We made everything fit, which was quite a challenge in itself. There was many parts to the lab's fit out that were not foreseen on the actual drawing, but their ability to accommodate those minor changes and make everything come together was just spectacular to watch.
We started about 4 years to translate a stem cell technology to develop some therapeutic for unmet need of human being. And we were looking at a facility which could provide us those kind of environment, and so that we fit in as per the regulatory framework within Australia. I think it's a two-part process from our perspective. Number one is the R&D around developing therapeutic for human, and that will involve the PC2 lab, and we need a fit out to do some of the experimentation around developing that drug. Once we have developed that through an R&D process, we need to take it down to actually manufacturing of the product in a clean room environment called GMP, which is highly regulated, particularly in Australia. So we were looking at both the PC2 lab as well as the clean room facility, and the facility which have been provided here are state of the art.
G3lab had a very client-driven process. They wanted to hear what we had, what our projects were about, what we needed and what the requirements to meet those project outcomes were. Industry costs were sitting around here, our budget was about here, and G3 Labs was able to meet us at our budget and deliver it on budget, and that meant a lot to us. G3 didn't just deliver for us our clean rooms and our lab spaces, but they delivered the facility that encompassed the reception, the kitchen, lunch rooms, office space, hot desks, meeting rooms. It was just a complete package that brought it all together and delivered something very functional and useful for the company to grow in.